welcome to the channel. Today I'm actually in such need of a weekend reset. I've been so busy at work this week and so stressed out that I've really fallen behind on all of my chores and all of my housework for the week. So I need to clean my apartment, I need to get laundry done, I need to just do everything for keeping this household clean. So that's what I'm going to do today, and I'm going to bring you guys along with me.
I really need to clean this bathroom.
Okay, so currently this is my desk. It is a little bit of a mess. I just don't have a lot of space to put things and things keep accumulating. I think I just need to like declutter, throw out a bunch of stuff. Like I have the randomest things like why do I have money? Why do I have my dentist receipts? Like we don't need all this stuff. So I'm gonna work on this. Hopefully I can find a place for everything, and if not, probably just garbage. Guys, I've been looking for my iPad and I did not realize it was here. I thought it was at my parents' house. To go to the mall. The main thing that I want to buy are new sheets for the bed. The ones that we have, either it started to pill really badly, we have to throw it out, or they're just like not cute. So I want to go buy something that's like a bit nicer for us to have. I also want to start looking for new tops because I feel like I still have quite a few crop tops left in my wardrobe, and it's because I literally don't have like any other shirts. So I need to start buying new stuff, but I'm very hesitant about buying clothes these days because I just like rather spend my money elsewhere, like in typically vacations or food, I guess. I always get so frustrated and so mad at myself because I feel like I have no clothes, nothing new. So I'm gonna see if I can find anything. Chocolate, and now he got a flat white, and the art is so cute. Look at it. Like he's a little messed up now because he drank it, but let's try. Oh, it's pretty good. That's really nice. How's yours?
It's great. It's good. I liked it. Leaf.
Yeah, they did. It's so cute.
Oh, this is not too
yeah, I know.
Sweet.
Look how thin this is. What? That's crazy. Good morning, guys. Last night I stayed at my parents' place. I was at my cousin's place pretty late last night and I didn't feel like going all the way home. So I'm at my parents' place. I'm heading back downtown later today. I'm on my way to get my nails done right now. They're actually such a mess. Like I just put like regular polish on it like a few weeks ago and I don't have a nail polish remover and I didn't feel like buying any. So I've just been letting like them fall off and it looks really, really gross. But let's go fix these nails because they are an actual mess. Look at really subtle color this time, but I got cat eye and it looks so good. I thought it was gonna be like a little bit whiter, but I love that it literally just blends into my like natural nails so nice, but then just has like a little reflection on it. It looks so good. I just got back from my parents' place. I'm about to do some meal prepping. Today I'm going to be making krap pao, which is like a Thai dish that usually has like ground pork or ground chicken with lots of basil and also Thai red hot chilies. So it could be like quite spicy depending how you make it. So I'm going to show you guys how I make it. It's one of those recipes that once you get all of your ingredients prepped, it's super easy to put together. So literally I have shallots, garlic, and then my chilies, and I'm just going to cut those up. Then I'm going to make our little sauce mix, and after that we can start cooking. I finally have my shallots and my garlic all cut up. I'm going to do the red hot chilies now. The thing about red hot chilies is that the chili itself is not spicy. The spicy part is the seeds. So I do want to still make this dish a little bit spicy, but I'm going to de-seed. I think I'm going to de-seed 2 of them, and I'll keep 3 of them in. And then if I have to add more, I can always add more later. We have our veggies prepped. Now I'm just going to go make the sauce. For the sauce, you need sugar, oyster sauce, fish sauce, and then I use dark soy sauce and light soy sauce. But essentially you just mix these all together, and then you're gonna add it in after the meat has already cooked. Oh my god. This exploded. I don't know who came up with the design for this bottle, but it's glass. So the sauce, it doesn't just like come out. You have to like hit it, and you can't like squeeze it. So I don't know why they did this design. So first I just add the vegetables, and then I'm gonna add the pork. Dinner later. I'm just gonna make some rice with it, and then I also usually fry a couple of eggs to eat with it, so I'm gonna do that later on, but for now I'm just gonna try it. Oh, it looks so good. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh, honestly one of my favorite things to make. So I'm trying to get some work done before Naoki comes home in a little bit. I need to upload some of my footage from my cameras from this weekend, so I can start editing probably today or tomorrow. I also started a course on Udemy recently. It is a marketing analytics course. Right now, I actually work at a bank doing reporting for like business performance and branch support, and I'm not really sure if that's something that I want to continue doing. So I was thinking about different places that I could go to, and I was thinking marketing might be an interesting thing for me. So that's why I started doing this course, just to see if it sparks my interest and to see if that's the thing that I want to pursue next in my career. So far, I'm through like the first chapter. It seems pretty interesting, but I'm hoping to finish it within the next few months. And by the end of it, hopefully I can get a better idea if that's something that I want to pursue, and then we'll see what happens after that.